Hi, so we often get asked this question, what do I do about installation? So to be completely clear, our prices include VAT and delivery. If you want us to arrange installation for you, we can do that. So we can use people who've installed many of our chandeliers, and we can give you a price that would include installation. Then we would bring it, install it, and sort all of that out for you. If you've already got people, you've already got your team building your renovation, your house, or you just know a local electrician installer, then we will provide, of course, full fitting instructions, specifications for brackets, ceiling fixings, weight, and we can do all of that in advance as well, so we can liaise with them. We can speak to your team, we can talk to them about how the process works and what's required. And the other option that we can do is we can come to installation. So you might have your own people, but we'll attend. So we'll bring the chandelier and we'll be there to talk them through the process and to do all the fragile bits. And we can also provide you details of electricians in your area for you to contact who know our work and have installed our pieces before. So there's a really wide range of options, from just delivering to fully installing and quoting an all-inclusive price, and lots of options in between. So just let us know where you are and we can talk you through those.